Welcome to Module 7, How to Build a Better Prompt. In this lesson, we'll walk through 5 simple steps you can use to design prompts that deliver sharper, more reliable results. Our goal is to learn the 5 steps for designing better prompts: goal, role, context and format, constraints, and iteration. Step 1 is goal. Always define the outcome you want. For example, summarize this article for a non-technical reader. Clear goals drive clear results. Step 2 is role. Assign the AI a perspective. For example, you are a career coach. Suggest 3 interview tips. Roles guide voice and style. Step 3 combines context and format. Add background so the AI knows what matters and tell it how to structure the output. For example, based on this job ad, create a 100-word cover letter in bullet points. Step 4 is constraints, setting limits like word count, tone, or scope. Step 5 is iteration, refining across steps, instead of demanding perfection in one shot. For example, in under 150 words, draft an opening statement. Now refine it for clarity. To recap, the 5 steps are goal, role, context and format, constraints, and iteration. Your action step is to take one of your prompts and rewrite it using all 5 steps. Notice how much more useful the output becomes.